Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change Nokia keypad mobile language. Friends, you want to change language in Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to change language one by one, step by step, and we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in a Nokia keypad mobile you want to change keypad mobile language. Now friends, let's see how to set and change language. Without waste time, open your Nokia keypad mobile phone, setting, system setting, connectivity setting you can use, personalized setting, theme setting you can use if you click here. So friends, you can use theme, lock screen, background, sound setting you can use. Time and language setting we will select OK option. Date and time setting you can use. Phone language setting, if you select your phone language setting. So friends, you can see English language, Hindi language, and friends there are many types of language. I don't know about this language, but friends you can see Marathi language we have, Gujarati language you can use in your Nokia keypad mobile, Punjabi language we have, and this language friends I don't know about. So friends, now I will set only Hindi language because I know only Hindi and English language. So friends, I will select Hindi language. Friends, you can see time will language will show Hindi, system setting, connectivity setting, समय और भाषा setting, video, संगीत means music, खेल means game, voice recorder आवाज़ recorder, calculator, अलार्म घड़ी, अलार्म वॉच, फाइल, टॉर्च, कैलेंडर. So friends, language will show Hindi. So you can use Hindi language in Nokia keypad mobile, and you want to set your default language. So when open your phone, date and language settings, समय और भाषा setting friends, we will select phone language settings, second option select. You can select your language and you can change language in Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, now I will set English language. So friends, you can see language will change again in Nokia keypad mobile. English language will show in your Nokia keypad mobile, Hindi language will remove. So you can use your default language in Nokia keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.